Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? Let's dive deep into Taiwan Semiconductor and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report on Taiwan Semiconductor was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Now, we're here to give you all the information you need. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these past 13 days, Taiwan Semiconductor has exceeded our expectations, delivering a gain of 14.01% since our initial recommendation to buy. This translates to an average return of 1.08% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's future direction as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong short-term upward trend and indicates an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $110.54, which could provide a second opportunity for potential gains. According to fan theory, $117.41 is the next potential resistance level, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 21.81% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 8.34% and 15.51%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 9.68% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -17.55% and 6.88%. This means the stock price could range from $96.10 to $124.58 after a year. Our latest update for Taiwan Semiconductor brings good news: Green Day on Thursday for Taiwan Semiconductor. The stock price of Taiwan Semiconductor increased by 0.0343% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 25, 2024. It went up from $116.52 to $116.56. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. We're excited to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $116.48 and a high of $118.84, a difference of 2.03%. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 15.63%, showing a strong performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares. In total, 15 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.79 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume with higher prices can be a sign of divergence and may indicate potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $118.85, while the lowest price was $81.21. Currently, the price is 1.92% or $2.29 below the 52-week high. It is also 19.61% or $28.44 below the all-time high, which was on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $145. Welcome to today's video on Analyst Ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 16, 2023, UBS gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Another notable rating came on Thursday, July 20, 2023, when Wedbush gave TSM an outperform grade with a hold action. It's worth mentioning that on the same day, July 20, 2023, Needham also gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. And going back a bit, on Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham once again gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a favorable buying opportunity and rate it as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's analyze the signals for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock shows positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals confirms a buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $112.92 and $103.86. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it would issue sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, resulting in a 17.58% increase so far. This suggests the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is reached. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite the stock's price increase, the volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This divergence may serve as an early warning, and it is advised to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next up, we have the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 14 days ago. If we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we can see a buy signal 56 days ago. Now, focusing on the 12-month chart, the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average confirmed this with a buy signal 52 days ago. Lastly, examining the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we have a buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor has found support from accumulated volume at $116.52. This is an important level to watch as it may present a buying opportunity. When the support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, this stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent performance, the stock moved $2.36 between its highest and lowest point in the last day, representing a 2.03% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.6%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier based on accumulated volume. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. To take advantage of this, consider entering a position and keep a close eye on volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $116.52. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $113.37, which represents a decrease of 2.74%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, which measures the momentum, is currently at 88, further increasing the overall risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago, providing a potential opportunity for investors. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? While Taiwan Semiconductor holds several positive signals, we don't consider it a strong buy candidate. It is currently recommended to hold or accumulate this position, as we await further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open at $117.29, with an increase of $0.733. Before we begin, it's important to recognize the risks associated with trading. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view on a particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Let's engage in a meaningful conversation. By the way, if you find our content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, take care and happy investing.